So 3 of these are cervical, so there's 7 cervical total, 13 thoracic total, 7 lumbar, and 3 sacral, and then an indeterminate amount of caudal vertebrae. Okay, so the first 2 cervicals are modified. You want to come over here? Can you see? You can see? Okay. So you need to call them by their name, not just cervical vertebrae. So that's what I mean by like being as specific as possible. Okay, so this is your atlas. So all cervical vertebrae have 2 little holes. So you'll know it's cervical. And then it's an atlas. It's very flattened. And then think like atlas, like globe. So it has a really big circle in the center like that. So atlas, globe. And then axis is this one. So it's like at a very sharp angle axis. Has a little notch right here. And then it still has those 2 little holes, so you know it's cervical. Then just a typical cervical, it's going to have, finally going to have, these 2 have centrums. This one does not, so your atlas does not have a centrum, which is this little thing right here. That's a centrum. Okay? Alright, so again, the 2 little holes, and it's kind of tiny. Then you have your thoracic, which has a really big neural spine, and then a centrum, kind of medium-sized, and then it has these little rib faucets in it. That's where it's articulating with the ribs. Then this spaceship-looking like one is the lumbar. So it has the biggest centrum of any, and then it has projections just everywhere. Okay, so that's the lumbar. Then the sacral vertebrae are all fused together into the sacrum. Okay, so if there's a big fusion one, it's the sacrum with 3 little projections on it. Then the little bitty one is the caudal, and it's just the little tiny one. Okay, so that's